Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to do a competitor analysis on Semrush. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Semrush, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To perform competitor analysis using Semrush, you need to start by identifying your top competitors. Alright, this could be businesses offering similar products or services in your market. Now, if you are in the real estate business, or maybe in the fitness business, or health, or maybe in the food business, you might want to use the Semrush's website competitor analysis tool. All right, you can uncover every aspect of your competitors' online presence with these tools from Semrush. All you have to do is click the Start Your Analysis button. You would be forwarded to this section. All right, now you have the Semrush Trends, Data, Insights, and Impact. All you have to do is type in the website of your competition. For example, I am in the e-commerce business and I have a direct competition with Amazon.com. All right, or you can enter your domain that you wanted here. But in our case, I'm just going to use Amazon.com for an example. You click that. You see, this is what makes your competition ahead of its game. The visits is around 3.6 billion, which is enormous right here. Right, so from the last month, from October to November, the difference is a lot. All right, the unique visitors are 794.6 million. The purchase conversion is very high. Imagine going to their website, just clicking, and then they are converted to sales. That is 4.46 conversions. The page visits are enormously high again, and the average visit duration is around 11 minutes. Bounce rate are 39.35, which is not bad really. All right, now here, as you can see, you have the audience view overview for this one right here. The demographics is around in this section. Mostly it's going to be around male, which is 55%, and the ages are 25 to 34, which I believe are maybe related to the young professionals who are patrons or of the Amazon.com. Socioeconomics are these, and if you want to view full report, we will do that later. And the visited domains are these, all right? And if you want to compare your competition with other anyone else, for example, we wanted to check Amazon.com and also maybe on Walmart.com. You can also put that, type it here, and you can put as many as competitors as you can and click the compare button. All right, now if you compare Amazon.com to Walmart.com, because these are going to be your top competition, you see you have all of these options. If you hover to the traffic journey, it would give you these sections. All right, for the traffic channels, Amazon is leading a lot. All right, Walmart is this. From that is going to be around this like 1 month ago. All right, it's a lot. It's not even a competition anymore. In terms of referral, Amazon is really leading so much, and total search for Amazon is too much. All right, top pages will give you this information right here for the growing and declining. All right, these are going to be some of the most pages that visitors are likely to click. All right, subfolders are this and subdomains. Now, having all of these options for you, after identifying your competitors, I want you to go to the SEO section, wherein you need to use the competitive research for using the domain overview. Why? Because after knowing our competition, all right, there's going to be that. All right, if you hover down below, these are going to be the main organic competitors apart from Amazon.com is eBay, Walmart, Reddit, YouTube.com, and Etsy.com. And these are going to be the competitive positioning maps for all of these: eBay.com, Walmart, Reddit.com, Etsy.com, and Amazon.com, right? Now, you see, you also have an option to view the top paid keywords, paid position distribution, and a lot more. Competitive positioning map and main paid competitors, all right? You also have an option to view the backlinks of your competition. These are going to be the reason why their competition is way ahead of its game because of all of these backlinks. All right. And then you should analyze the organic search competitors right here on the bottom. Compare domains, growth report, and a lot more. So we're just using the desktop computers for now. Having said all of that, you might now use all of the tools available here for your competition. We have a separate video on how to use the keyword magic tool, the link building tool, all of these tools basically. Why? Because after knowing all of these, your competition, you might want to go to the keywords strategy builder, and of course from here, create a plan for your competition. All I have to do is build a strategy, choose a topic, enter seed keywords, and build the content from there so that you start bringing traffic to your site by knowing all the effective strategies from your direct competition. All right. They also have an option here for the social media. All right. There is a tool here that is called Content Analyzer. You see this? Now, this tool will see which of your competitors' content is performing best in terms of engagement and backlink. They also have the option for the social media tracker, wherein you can analyze your competitors' social media performance, tracking their follower growth, engagement rate, and content they post. If you click this, it requires you to have the free trial. All right. And the last option is going to be in terms of the advertising, wherein if you want to click the domain overview for a market analysis, you might want to do that. Enter the domain again, and that is going to be Amazon.com, right? Press enter. Right? And from here, you can gain a thorough understanding of your competitors' digital marketing strategies and identify areas where you can improve or capitalize on new opportunities. All right. Again, we have covered so many topics here on Semrush that you might want to check in our channel using all of these tools to increase traffic and, of course, rank your website and its SEO efforts. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.